Professional College named after Anwar Ismailov. Good morning, dear students. We have a lesson. Space, the solar system. The solar system. Life in space. The solar system is a system of cosmic bodies, which includes, in addition to the central luminary, the Sun, 9 large planets, their satellites, many minor planets, small meteorite bodies, and the cosmic dust. The official 8 planets of our solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Mercury, the smallest planet, hot during the day, cold at night, the fastest planet. Mercury is the planet closest to the Sun, the lightest and also the smallest of all, and it continues to shrink. Her year lasts only 88 days, while the day itself is equal to our 59 days. This planet has 2 sunrises and 2 sunsets. In certain places of the planet they can be seen 3 times a day. The person here definitely cannot survive. The usual temperature during the day is plus 427 degrees, and at night it drops to minus 180 degrees. Venus, the hottest planet, volcanoes, named after the god of truth. Venus is the second closest planet to the Sun. Her day lasts longer than our 243 days. Academics admit the teeny possibility that bacteria similar to those on Earth can inhabit the planet's atmosphere, and also clouds of sulfuric acid on Venus. Earth is the only planet that has life. The Earth the planet that we live on. The gravity on Earth is different, and this is a fact. For example, in some places we feel heavier, in others light ore. One of the conditions for life on our planet is the presence of a magnetic field. If it weren't for him, all the electronics in the world would melt very quickly. What can we say about us? Mars, the closest planet to the Earth, the first planet, the huge volcano, named for the god of war. Mars is similar to Earth for a day, almost the same, 24 hours. Also, a year lasts as much as 668 days. And by the way, there is also a change of seasons, but it lasts 2 times longer. Jupiter, the largest planet, stormy. Jupiter giant has 60 satellites, 5 rings, and a mass that exceeds Earth by 318 times. Saturn, larger than Earth, lighter than water, has flattened poles. The first thing that comes to mind about Saturn is its rings, but in fact it's just ice and dust, and its thickness reaches 1 kilometer. And how is it that these dusty rings are visible from space, and Saturn has more than 62 of them, and Saturn also has a year like our 30 years. Uranus, pale blue-green cloudy atmosphere, 42 years of sunlight, 42 years of darkness. Uranus, 1/3 of the planet Uranus is solid gas. The year change lasts 20 years here. Neptune, windy, takes 160 to go around the Sun. Pluto, The furthest planet, strange orbit, sometimes it is closer to the Sun. Pluto is the last on the list of planets. In 2006, scientists designed it a dwarf planet and suggested that it can snow there like ours, but a person wouldn't survive there because it is very far from the Sun. All space, including all the stars and planets, the universe. This concludes our lesson. Thank you for your attention. Bye. See you soon.